Hello friend, I hope you have enjoyed my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial we solve a problem which I have asked many times in exam based on the concept of entropy. And friend, I want to tell you that this tutorial is going to be very interesting, so keep watching till the end. Let's come to the question. Here is the question and try to understand what is given and what you have to find. I hope you have noted down this problem in your notebook. As in the given question, there is an ideal gas which undergoes a thermodynamic cycle. When it is represented on a TS diagram, we got a circle with a maximum temperature of 600 Kelvin and minimum temperature of 300 Kelvin, and we have to find the efficiency. I hope you understand this problem. Let's go for the solution. Before going to solve this problem, I want to make it clear by using a figure. As in the given question, the maximum limit of temperature is 600 Kelvin and minimum limit of temperature is 300 Kelvin, which is given. And when you draw this thermodynamic cycle on TS curve, we are getting a circle as given in the question. And after looking at this figure, we can calculate the radius of this circle. That will be 600 minus 300 divided by 2, which will be 150. And we know friend, the area under TS curve give the value of heat, that is Q is equal to integration of TdS, and the area under the curve of the cycle give value of work. Okay, let me clear it. You know friend, work is equal to heat input minus heat output, and the area under the this curve give the value of heat input, and the area under the this curve give the value of heat output. So by subtracting the value of heat input minus heat output, we are getting the value which is equal to the area under this curve, which is our work output, and it is equal to the area of circle pi r square. And after putting the value of radius, we are getting the work output which is equal to 70.65 kilojoule. And to know the value of heat input, we have to calculate the area under this curve, and the area under this curve is equal to the area of this plus area of this. Since this figure looks like a semicircle, so value of this is equal to pi into r square divided by 2, and this figure is a rectangle which length is equal to 450 Kelvin and width is equal to the diameter of circle. So the area is equal to 2 into r into 450, and after putting this all value, we are getting the value of heat input is 170.325 kilojoule, and here we have find the value of heat input and our work output. So to know the value of efficiency, just put it in the formula of efficiency, which is equal to work output divided by heat input, and we are getting the value of efficiency which is equal to 0.414 or 41.4%, which is our final answer. I hope guys you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial.